The role of a teacher in the life of a student is a past definition, more so because with the passage of time, the role has gone through several stages of evolutions from the storehouse of knowledge and a strict disciplinarian to the facilitator of learning. The transition was made to suit the teaching technique that has transformed completely over the ages. No wonder it will go on changing as long as the mode of teaching and education remains. But all the formats of education have their own perceptions of a teacher. His role has been objectified by the educationists with clinical expertise. Now all the theoretical explanations only confines and restrict the role of a teacher. What remains obscure is the emphasis on the role of a teacher, is his part as a guardian, a motivator, an improver, and more as an individual who understands best the different problems of his students and develops separate and distinct innovative method toward these dreams. It is my considered opinion that suppose a moderately intelligent student seems to be inattentive in the class and his progress is on a consistent decline. The problem is not wholly academic. The teacher meets a student in person who confides on him that persistent household conflict between his parents are posing impediment to his studies and gradually the career of the student is at stake. Now the teacher is not an educator to address or mitigate the problems, but he can at least be bothered and meet the parents and make them acquaint about the state of fact. Such a student would find a great fit on the teachers and perhaps would like to continue his studies despite the troubles. A teacher with a flexible outlook would have a direct access to the minds of a student. In the present complex society, the problems are of a variegated character. Children are addicted to drugs, intoxicants, mobiles, and are vulnerable to numerous other elements that pose a serious threat to their career. Therefore, the teacher has to act in numerous ways, most of which are not mentioned in the theory of education. One must not forget that a learner spends most of his quality time at the school, and the teacher has perhaps the greatest impact on his psychic disposition by putting forward the internal statement saying it कि never trouble the trouble till the trouble troubles you. If you trouble the trouble, then trouble automatically you. So these kind of statements should be injected into the minds of the students who are coming from different walks of lives. Last but not the least, in conclusions, I can say, moreover, the pupils have immense trust on the teacher. They tend to follow every footsteps from the manner of talking to the dress code of the teacher whom they like. It has been found that all the men of letters have an ideal teacher whom they have modeled themselves on. So a